Do you know that you can take your JBL Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker into AUX mode, establish a wired connection with your smartphone, and use it as an external physical speaker? You might want to do it when your Flip 7 is low in charge, Bluetooth pairing is not working. So let's go ahead and see how to turn on AUX mode on your JBL Flip 7. So guys, whatever smartphone you got, Android or iPhone, you just need a Type-C to C cable. Now connect both the devices into their charging ports with the cable. First, we're going to press on this power button and turn on Flip 7. Now to enable AUX mode or service mode, press and hold down the Bluetooth and display button until your Flip 7 turns off by itself. And then in a couple of seconds, it'll turn on. That means the AUX mode is now enabled. Whatever smartphone you're using, iPhone or Android, it'll recognize it as a physical headphone or an, output device. Now there is a heads up. In AUX mode, the device sound becomes extremely loud. I was only able to control sound on my Android but not on iPhone, so be careful about that. Now while it's on this mode, you can interchange it between smartphones and connect it as an external speaker with all of them. Now when it's on service mode, as you can see, all the other buttons including the Bluetooth will be disabled. So whenever you want to get rid of this mode, make sure they are still connected with the cable and simply press and hold down the same button function, the Bluetooth and the play button at the same time till your Flip 7 just turn off. You can disconnect the device and take it into normal Bluetooth pairing if you want. And that's how you can use the AUX mode on your Flip 7 with any smartphone. Thanks for watching.